On Saturday, Jim's family went to the park. His father played baseball. His mother played tennis. His sister played basketball. His Uncle Jerry played baseball too. On Saturday, Jim played baseball too, but on his computer. Jim's mother and father were not happy. He never goes to the park. His mother said quietly, "You always stay home on the computer," said his father. "Why don't you come to the park?" "I don't like the park," said Jim. "I like my computer." Now Jim wasn't happy. "I don't like the park," said Jim. "I have an idea," said Uncle Jerry. "Next Saturday, bring some paper and a pencil to the park." The next Saturday, Jim went to the park. His father went up to bed. "Watch us play and count everything we do," said Uncle Jerry. "Okay," said Jim. "Is it like baseball on the computer?" asked Jim. "Yes. Just count the times we get runs and hits," Uncle Jerry said. So Jim started to count and write. Then Jim's father hit a long home run. "Count the home runs too," said Uncle Jerry. "Okay, great idea," said Jim. After the game, they all went home. Uncle Jerry said to Jim, "Go and make a chart on your computer." "Okay," said Jim, and he ran up to his room. "This is Jim's chart. Look at the numbers." "Well done, Jim. Who made the most runs? Did Uncle Jerry hit a home run?" At lunch, Jim gave the chart to his father. "This is great. I really like it," said his father. Jim had a big smile on his face. "Can you do one for basketball, please?" asked his sister. "Yes," said Jim. Uncle Jerry smiled. Now Jim goes to the park every Saturday, and he always brings paper and a pencil.